children, welcome back. Today we are going to learn word families ag and am. Sound of letter A. Sound of letter G, G. Ag, 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 ag. A and G together, ag. Some consonants are given here. How to form ag family? Let's see. Sound of letter B, 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 ag. B, ag, bag, bag, bag. L, ag, lag, 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 lag. N, ag, nag, 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 nag. R, ag, rag, 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 rag. S, ag, ag, sag, sag, sag. T, ag, tag, tag, tag. V, ag, vag, vag, wag, wag. This is very simple method. Okay. First letter will change. Ending sounds are same. So it's called rhyming words. Okay. Next family, am. Am family. D, am. D, am. Dam. 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 H, am. Ham. 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 J, am. Jam. 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 R, am. R, am. Ram. 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 Okay. Dam, ham, jam, ram. Ending sounds are same. It's also called rhyming words. Okay. Thank you.